Hi guys, welcome to our channel.
Okay. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new, welcome to my channel. As usual, if you're new, please take a minute and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to hit the bell right next to the subscribe button so that you don't miss any video that I post. As you all can tell by the title, I'm gonna do my friend's hair today, and so the products I'm gonna use today is the Carol's Daughter Prakazi Nectar Leave-In Conditioner, and then the Eco Styler Gel. So let's get started. So as you all can see, her hair looks a little bit tangled. So I'm gonna go ahead and detangle her hair. So I'm going to lay down her edges with the Eco Styler Gel.
Sometimes he be duck chain at the carry, meet by rap, at the rush, at the hardy, that about for what he be like, say, Kaya, I go marry. Anyway, waiting in my own. I'm not in this alone. Because somebody they sweat for the air condition, he below me the home. Sorry, the miti boom, that's a one day me, that's a one day me, man, I'm a done when I want to bet you at TT. A lot of mercy, me the miti boom, that's a one day me, that's a one day me, man, I'm a done when I want to bet you at TT. A lot of mercy, nobody, no, nobody, no, nobody, no tomorrow. Nobody, 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 no tomorrow. Hustler never heavy another man. Hustler never heavy another soul. Cause you never know whatever the plan. But who know ever reap whatever you sow. And then be happy for the people who succeed. Cause everything that you wish for them, the same you receive. Come my son and you can deceive. Success is a state of mind, don't be caught up in greed. No matter what you do, the rich man die. No matter what you say, the poor man dies too. We are hustling, but for a while someday we are gonna fade away. Say me the miti bu bum, that's a one day me that's a one day me One I'm done when I wanna bet you at TT. A lot of mercy, me the miti bu bum. I'm not in this alone because somebody they search for the air conditioning below me.
I'm feeling myself. I'm feeling
Okay guys, so this is the end result. I will call this what should I call it?
just special.
Whatever. So this is the end result and I hope you guys love it. So the steps was I parted her hair into 2 parts and then I detangled it and then I applied the leave-in conditioner, and after I used the gel to lay her hair down, and I held the ponytail and I wrapped it around. So I did the same thing for the second part, and this is how it looks. I love it. It's really cute. I didn't know it was gonna come out this cute, but I really love it. Do you have anything to say?
Y'all need to hook me up with a man, okay? I need to go on a date with this style. I'm waiting.
Okay. So yeah, she also has a channel and it's Frida's World. So y'all should go subscribe to her channel and don't forget to subscribe to my channel as well. Thank you guys for watching, and do you have anything to say?
Don't forget to smash that bell, okay? You need a notification anytime she posts.
Alright, so I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye.
Bye.